I have several papers looking at how streaks can be a source of motivation or a signal of commitment. So I find that, say, you're using an app to track your exercise or message your friends or learn a language, that when that app highlights your streak of doing those behaviors, maintaining that streak becomes a goal in and of itself. So knowing you have a streak can actually propel you towards doing that behavior more. There's several interventions companies can try to do to keep your streaks intact and keep you motivated and working towards your goals. So, for instance, one thing we study and we see on apps like Duolingo is the opportunity for broken streak repair. So, if you give people the chance to, say, do an extra lesson or pay in some sort of app currency to fill in that broken streak, people then get more motivated. So I think it's pretty intuitive to a lot of people that highlighting streaks is motivating and something that consumers really latch on to and have this goal of continuing. But I think sometimes with that highlighting, we forget that that then highlights broken streaks and that source of demotivation. So I think there needs to be careful consideration about what patterns and what behaviors to highlight versus not for each individual consumer.